welcome to today's video, guys. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we're going to be making our own slime. So we have our bowls here, and I'm going to be teaching you one life hack. And let's say I can't open this box with my hands, but when I turn it around on the other side, look, I have this axe. You want just smell like this, and the crowbar are the side off. So like, see? So you can just do that and then open it all the way. So look like you have to like slide it more. But did my axe?
It just broke. That's a pretty strong box. Uh-oh.
This is a pretty strong box.
Okay,
it
let's
just
see.
broke my axe.
Let's just go
I
for
can't
it.
even put it together, guys.
I'm just gonna rip it.
What?
Rip it up. Okay.
What the heck?
Oh.
I can't. Oh, we got it open. Daddy, we got it open.
Okay. Where are the instructions?
Wait, let's get 2 bowls so we can make both. So we're gonna make both. We need another bowl because we're gonna actually make both of them. So like, look, we got the ingredients, glue, and this paint. I think that's paint. I made shoe coloring and these sticks. They're plastic.
Okay, here are their bowls.
These are plastic sticks, Mommy.
Oh, they've never done that before. Okay,
Maybe you
so
should keep the plastic sticks.
says,
I want one down.
that's for you.
I want this big bowl.
Okay, so the directions say, okay, here, we gotta measure. Okay, it says 15 milliliters.
15 milliliters.
Okay, clear glue. Okay.
So we're gonna put the
Oh, is there a
15
thing on
liters of clear glue. My mom just said we have to do that.
I should do it this way. This way is easier. Okay, so we're going the slowest glue ever. Oh, there we go. There it goes.
So it's kind of slow, but a little bit faster.
Okay.
So like, look.
So there's
this
one.
cardboard box.
Put that in yours. Dump it in yours.
So look, we got the.
Hey, you want some? I'll get you some. You're next. Okay.
So we. Whoa.
Okay, so you gotta scrape it off, right?
So we got a little.
Hold on, Remy.
We got
Hold
a
on,
little
Remy.
more. So.
Remy,
No.
Here you go. Take that one. Here, I'll let you do it.
We got it.
Here, Riley, hold that one.
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, let me get you some.
I'm gonna make a shape.
Oh, Dad, Mommy's eating.
Ooh, I'm getting you some, yeah.
It looks like cream, but it's glue. It looks like clear cream.
Okay.
Actually,
Here you go, pour it in there. Okay. Okay.
We got another stick, so.
Okay, so it says 25 milliliters of water, room temperature. Okay, let me get some water. Hold on, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
So we're gonna get some water. We need like some water. So like, look, my dad's getting water right over there, and like we're doing in the glue. Mix. Wait, did you pause the video? I was like,
Okay, we got
the water now.
Okay, so let's see.
Get the water.
Whoops. Oh, whoops. Pour the water in. Okay, now Remy needs
My
some
dad's
water.
pouring some more.
Okay, ready? Oh, sorry.
Water.
Oh,
in
sorry.
glue. What do you think that's like a
There you go, pour it in.
suction? Like a
Oh, here.
rough
Maybe just a
water.
little tad bit. Oh, whoops, I'm sorry.
It looks like some kind of slime in water, but it's glue in water.
Oh,
it looks like that,
right.
but it's kind of weird.
Now,
Glue in water.
make scented
Looks like
slime.
clear slime in water. Looks like
Measure
clear
one.
slime inside the water, but it's glue inside the water. It's so cool. Wait, do we need this?
Is there a spoon in there?
I got this stick.
Says there's supposed to be a spoon. Liars. Okay.
Well, we got these sticks, Mommy. These are the spoons.
Okay. So let's
Mommy, that's the spoon.
Oh, okay. Okay, so who wants?
I want blue. I want blue.
Okay.
I want pink.
Okay, we're gonna do this. We're just gonna pour the whole thing in. I don't know if it's right, but
No, don't touch
don't touch it yet. Here, use that. Stir it together.
So, did you seriously drop the blue in my hand?
No, I didn't drop blue in here.
So we're gonna mix the blue
I
in.
didn't do that.
We're gonna mix the blue with the stuff.
Okay, so
Wait,
keep
we need an
stirring it.
activator.
Okay, I'll get you the activator.
So we got the activator. The activator's time. So we ready? We're gonna activate the slime. Activate, activate, activate.
Okay.
So like, it's blue.
Okay, go ahead. Stir it together.
We got the activator in.
Okay. Ah! Don't do that. Stir it, hurry. So it turns into slime.
It's already getting slime.
Mix it fast,
Mix it,
Remy.
Remy. No, keep mixing.
You gotta mix it fast so it turns into slime.
Is it turning slimy?
Yeah.
Here. Ah, don't touch it yet. Here, let's get the middle.
Hey, it looks like slime. The activator in all the stuff is working.
Well, okay, keep it going.
For me
No,
inspiration.
no.
Look at this.
That's
Look,
like a
my
bag.
slime is
What's
blue.
like a bag?
Maybe a little bit more slime activator. Let's just do
Can I
it.
have some activator?
Yep, why not?
Let's pour the whole thing in.
Yeah, why not? Let's just see what it does. Okay, keep
We
stirring.
got the whole thing of activator in each of ours. I get two. I get two. We both get activator. Look, it's slimy.
Does it smell like blueberry? Does it feel
Yeah.
like? Ew.
These are slimy, but not mine.
That does not smell good.
Mine's not slimy, and his is.
Maybe more. Let's see. Let's keep stirring.
I get how it turns into slime because the glue makes it like all gooey and stuff, like
Let's see this.
stuck-ish, and like it gets stuck and stuff. So and that makes it sticky. So like the glue
Watch out, the
gets
glue's
in with
coming.
that activator and the stuff that makes it sticky.
Use
I
your
think
stick,
that-
Remy.
That's more glue. More glue. Oh yeah. More glue. There's a little bit of activation. A little bit of activation. So look at this. It's kind of getting slimy. Look at this. Whoa.
Does it smell like blueberry?
It smells amazing.
Does it? Let me smell.
It smells like blueberry.
Oh yeah, yours smells like blueberry. Does yours smell good, Remy?
Yeah.
Let me smell.
So we're still mixing.
Mm. Okay, let's mix it.
So look at mine.
Yeah.
It's quite. It's blue. Look at this blue. This blue is so pretty. So, and leave a like too.
Okay, you can touch it.
So you got. Mommy, I think we need more glue.
That's all the glue.
It's not getting slimy over here. But do we have glue anywhere else? Oh. Wait, are we supposed to put in baking soda?
Not in this one.
Daddy has glue.
You have glue?
Oh.
I want glue too.
All right.
I do. I want glue. I want glue, Daddy.
Daddy has glue.
Mix it.
I want glue.
Here we go.
Daddy, how much do you pour in? That's how much slime in.
Remy,
Mix it,
grab your
Remy.
stick and mix it.
Start mixing it.
You gotta mix it.
Mix, mix,
Mommy,
mix,
give
mix,
me,
mix,
give me.
mix, mix,
Mommy,
mix, mix,
give me.
mix,
I want to see you mix it.
mix, 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 mix. Whoa. Transformation. Wow. A few hours later. This is what it looks like a few hours later. So, got it, got it, got it.
Let's see. Let me help you.
So, we're mixing the slime, look. And look how it's going, guys. Whoa. Look at this. It is so cool. But the glue's still up there.
Ew.
I need
Looks
some,
like a jellyfish. Like a pink jellyfish.
I need some more glue, Dad. The whole thing's not finished. There's some more right here, more right here. So, bye guys. We had a fun. I think you had a fun time watching. Leave a like and hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel.